Let's practice pronunciation for your next class. You can find it on a third page of your PDF. First, let's start with the open sound of the oo. 1. Would you help me look for my book? 2. The sugar cookies taste good. 3. The butcher is a good cook. 4. He would read the book if he could. 5. Butch visited his old neighborhood in Brooklyn. Now the short, close, and short sound of the same. 1. The new roof was installed in June. 2. I drink fruit juice and eat a lot of soup. 3. Your blue shoes are really cool. 4. I need proof that you're telling the truth. 5. The statue on the avenue is truly beautiful. Now let's practice with minimal purse. 1. Good food 4. Blue book. 2. Full room 5. 2 cookies. 3. Cook stew 6. 2 full. Now let's practice the sound of or. 1. I will work during the third term. 2. They served turkey for dinner. 3. Her purple shirt is dirty. 4. She gave birth to her third girl. 5. It's not worth worrying about another birthday.